Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop auto updates on Steam. So let's get started. So the first thing that we'll be doing is logging into our account here on the Steam app. And from here you want to navigate here on Steam on the top left, click on that, and then click on settings. And then from here, what we're going to do is that we are going to go to downloads. And from here, you should now be able to see the schedule auto updates right here. So you basically want to enable this. And what you want to do is basically just input the same start and end time right here for the schedule. So I like to go for 1 a.m. and 1 a.m. right here. So this would basically mean that there is zero interval or 0 seconds for the auto update to begin right here. So therefore, there will be no auto updates because it's basically nothing right here. So yeah, this is how I like to do this. So in this way, there won't be any auto updates or what would happen. So you wanna select the time right here that you are most likely not active. So for example, you are not active at 2 a.m. because you're asleep. So you can just go for this one right here. So you wouldn't be able to trigger this schedule right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can stop auto updates here on Steam. Thank you for watching.